Hello, good afternoon. This is Diksha Singh from ChemRobotics. ChemRobotics is an Indian startup database company catering its services to the agrochemical, chemical, fine chemical, and the pharmaceutical segments, where we provide the chemistry, biology, IP, regulatory information like label, fact sheet, monographs of the approved and the commercialized products, and the safety information. So this video is dedicated to our platform technical tools. So I'll just start navigating. Along with that, I'll explain. I'll go to the product menu and I'll go to the technical routes. So technical routes is basically a platform dedicated to the agrochemical, chemical, fine chemical, and the pharmaceutical industry, wherein more than 15,000 active ingredients route of synthesis are disclosed and more than 50,000 intermediates are linked. And recently, we have established a connectivity of 20 lakh molecules. So this said information is searchable by means of the CAS number, IUPAC, active ingredient name, etc. So I'll just start navigating this. I'll just log in. So we have three tabs on this technical roots platform. That is the technical root search, the chemical directory search, and the chemical structure search. And right now we are having three type of route of synthesis. That is the commercial route of synthesis, the Chinese route of synthesis, and the innovator's route of synthesis. So these commercial route of synthesis, we have made them based on the number of suppliers of the key starting material, the number of Chinese patent filers on that subsequent compound, and the percent yield of the product. The Chinese route of synthesis are made on the basis of number of availability of the key starting material suppliers, and also they are cost effective for the industries. The innovator's route of synthesis, we provide the innovator's route of synthesis for industries so that they can take this as a reference. And this technical routes platform is a continuously updating global life science platform, and its coverage includes more than 8,000 active pharmaceutical ingredients, including the pharmaceutical, veterinary, the food, and the cosmetic drugs. Next is we have more than 6,000 active ingredients of agrochemicals, and more than 50,000 intermediates are linked to their active ingredients. Under the umbrella of technical routes, there are four modules. So I'll just show you an example. So as I told you, under the technical route search, the said information is searchable by means of this active ingredient name, the CAS number, the company name, the company type, country of company, the description, and this reactant's CAS number. So I'll just search with this active ingredient CAS name. So I'll search with the compound epoxyconazole. So as you can see, there are total 4 results retrieved for this. And there's another functionality that you can extend or limit your search by this and an off function. So I'll just show you another thing that I will sort it by the type of root type. So I'll just go with the commercial root type. And as you can see, there are total 1 result retrieved. And in this 1 result, we have 5 roots along with the patent and the non-patent references cited. So I'll just take a snapshot of this for future references. So as you can see, we are making these commercial route of synthesis based on the number of suppliers of key starting material, the number of Chinese patent filers on the similar route, and the percent yield of the final product. So here we are showing that the references of the compound. There are 5 routes in this specific one. So in this technical routes, you will find the AI routes along with the reactant's CAS number, the solvent information, the company name, the country of the company, and the patent and the non-patent references. And when you'll tap on this more information, you'll get to know the entire information. The next module we have is the chemical directory. So under this chemical directory, there are more than 1 lakh chemical and fine chemical, which are with their basic infos and the physicochemical properties. So under this chemical directory platform, there are more than 1 lakh chemical, fine chemical, where the basic information applications are linked. The next module we have is the basic product information. So under the umbrella of this basic product information, you'll get to know about the compound innovator, the IUPAC name, the basic chemistry, the chemical class, the mechanism of action, the indication of the compound, Apart from that, you'll get to know the synonyms of the compound, the physicochemical properties, the experimental ones, the description of the compound, the history, development, and the commercialization of the compound, the invent info of the compound, like the equivalence, the Indian equivalence, the patent information, the first disclosure of the patent. You'll get to know about this information. The next step we have is next module is the DMF or the suppliers. So DMF is in the case of the veterinary and the pharmaceutical drugs, and suppliers in the case of um, active ingredients of agrochemicals. So in case of epoxyconazole, as you can see, there are total 446 results retrieved for this compound. There are 446 total DMF folders, and the another functionality is that you can filter them on the basis of the country that you want as per your own needs. So I'll just go with this country Brazil, and I'll see there are total 159 DMF folders for this compound. So there are total 159 results retrieved for this DMF folders in Brazil. And once you'll tap on this, you'll get to know the entire detail about this, like the registration holder, the technical products, the formulators, the manufacturers. There's entire information of this. And you can filter this on the basis of country as per your own choice. The next tab or next module that we have is the chemical directory search. So under this chemical directory search, more than 1 lakh chemical and fine chemicals with their basic information and their applications in agro and pharma, they are disclosed. So under this chemical directory search, you can search for the intermediates with this CAS name, chemical name, the indication, the IUPAC name, the CAS number, the CAS name, the chemical class, originator, year of discovery, such a way. So I'll just show you an example. I'll use the CAS number for this for intermediate, and the snapshot that which I took for future references. So I'm just gonna take this as a reference. So I'm just gonna take this compound as a reference, and I'll search its uses, where it is being used, and I'll put the CAS number over here, that is 288-88-0. So as you can see, there are total so many routes where this compound is being used, and it is linked to another routes. So I'll just go to the technical routes, and I will see here that there are total 116 results retrieved for this particular CAS number where this compound is being used in other routes. Such as you can see here is albaconazole. It is being used in 116 routes, and here we are showing them. And you can search for the entire information of this compound, like the reactants CAS number, the description, the references like the patent and the non-patent citations we are providing. So you can just scroll down and you can have a look at this. You can see it is being used in this another commercial route of synthesis. So I'll just again go back to the main menu, and I'll show you the chemical structure search. So here in this chemical structure search, you can search for any structure with the means of smileys, the inkies, the name, IUPAC name, CAS number, and the molecular formula. And the another functionality is that you can just draw the structure and search for a particular compound. So I'll just draw a structure for you, and we'll search for compound. So as you can see, I just draw the structure of benzoyl chloride, and there is one exact match, and there are other 20 relevant matches to this compound, along with the information like the technical routes where it is being used, the CAS number, the molecular formula, and IUPAC name, and other important things related to this compound. So this was all about our technical routes platform. Thanks for watching.